Well, getting the shelf put up, the lights installed. Actually got them actually routed a little edge in there so that way they're actually in the shelf. We'll get the bed next, and I'm getting his desk put together. Got one of his TVs, two of his TVs. Getting ready to put the other two up down there and the other one up there. So far so good. Getting there. Tacking down the last little bit now. Well, it's starting to look like a tree didn't fall through here. Time he gets it decorated and finish getting all the doors up on the cabinets and the top and the lights over there and the screens, and get his mattress and box springs and stuff in here. It's gonna look like a room again. He's got a little mat for his chair to roll around on. He wants to get like a rug for here or in there. Right there. He's got a stand for his PlayStation and Xbox and whatever all that stuff is. Maybe a rug in front of it. So far, so good. I'll start on his closet next. About to get everything put up.